Rental arbitrage. What the heck? Is it possible to make money without owning anything? Well, welcome to the not so long awaited rental arbitrage video. Rental arbitrage is basically, it is similar to subletting, where you rent a property with a normal long-term lease, probably 1 to 2 years, and then you turn around and re-rent it to the other people on a short-term basis. Now, this is normally done by using other platforms like HomeAway, VRBO, or Airbnb, and there's many more. But basically, you will create a profile, pop in the photos and description, set a price, and then the platform will advertise for you. They will qualify the guest, charge their fees, and they drop the remaining cash into your account when the guest leaves. Voila. It's actually a pretty sweet deal because they often offer things like calendar management, pricing strategies, advertising, and some even pay your state occupancy fees and provide you with a 1099 every year for your taxes. So today, I'm literally going to walk you through 2 units we use through rental arbitrage. They've been furnished by us, every nook and cranny, and we've been running them for about 3 years now. I'm going to tell you what it costs to furnish them and what the average returns are, because that's what's going to make this video useful to you. Now, before we head out, one piece of advice I want to give you: location, location, location. Our guests tend to stay with us for these main reasons: job-related activity, visiting family, tickets to a concert, or they're searching the area for a new home. My second piece of advice is to check out the competition to see what the max price is you can charge for your night. So how much money is this going to cost you to set up your Airbnb through rental arbitrage? According to my calculations, my number will be $10,000. $5,000 for furniture and accoutrements, $3,000 for lease deposits and first month's rent, as well as little things like internet and photography and things like that. And then $2,000 for the first month's rent and miscellaneous, just in case the unit isn't rented in a timely manner or it takes you a bit longer to get everything done. We've all experienced how something like the COVID virus can affect travel, and no one was expecting that one. And the part you've been hanging around for? The tours. So we were trying to find apartments which were less than $800 a month, because once we added electric, which would be another $150 a month, and water sewer, another $50 a month, and cable and internet, another $100 a month, then we would already be owing a total of $1,100 per month. Now, don't forget that the $1,100 per month will be due each and every month, regardless if a lot of income was made or if zero income was made. So the first one we had found was a bottom unit of a 2-story garage with a fabulous location. 4 blocks from the beautiful river, 2 blocks from 2 different beautiful parks, and 1 block from eateries, shopping, and entertainment. However, it was small and had low ceilings. I think it was 6.5 foot to be exact, and had an open studio-like layout. But it did have a private courtyard and there was no carpet, and the price was definitely worth it. It was $900 all in with electric, water, and sewer. And it had a really cool contemporary vibe, very opposite of what you might normally find in a historic district where we live. So here are the numbers: $900 rent, $0 for utilities, they were included in the rent, $100 cable and internet, $1,000 a month. Woohoo! Under budget. And then, as luck would have it, the apartment right above it, the top of the garage, was vacant and waiting to be cleaned. It had not gone on the market yet, so we asked to see that one as well. How convenient would that be to have 2 rental units right next door to each other? And we just loved it. It was cozy and just felt appealing from the moment we walked in the door. Plus, the courtyard and the washer and dryer were shared with the unit that we were going to rent below, so really, it was a no-brainer. And this one had lovely hardwood floors, separate rooms, and an arch over the main doorway to the living room. Even the old crank windows were charming and added to the overall ambiance and feel. Yes, it was $100 more, and yes, we went over budget by $150, but we figured we could make it up due to its valuable location and extra space inside. So here are the numbers on that. $1,000 rent, $150 on electric, 0 water sewer, $100 on cable. Each unit costs right around $5,000 to furnish, but that did not include any of our time, only the cost of the merchandise, the furniture, and the decorations. Okay, now for the stats. The downstairs unit rents for, on average, $65 a night after the Airbnb fees have been taken out, and is full 70% of the time over the last 6 months. Meaning, out of 21 days, we make approximately $1,365. Remember, the expenses cost $900 all in, which leaves a monthly profit of $465 to put in our pocket. The upstairs unit had a few long-term renters, which helped with these stats, and overall performed well with only 24% vacancy rate. It also rents slightly higher due to its larger size than the downstairs unit, for, on average, $73 a night. So 23 days times $73 a night equals a whopping $1,679. Remember, the expenses cost $1,250, which leaves a monthly profit of $429 to put in our pocket. Whew, that was a tour. So I don't know about you, but $894 a month, I don't think that's chump change. That's how we do rental arbitrage. And now you can too. So if you want to make an extra $10,000 like we did, get the best place you can rent, watch your monthly expenses, check out your competition, and try to negotiate the original lease down as far as you possibly can. So hopefully I've described rental arbitrage well enough so you can do it too. Rental arbitrage, what a pain in the